So guys, I'm quickly gonna show you how to remove and replace your watch band. Let's say you bought a aftermarket, okay, for your Apple Watch, and all you gotta do is to understand the mechanism. So let's go. Okay, so to understand mechanism is very simple. Once you slide, okay, you have your Apple Watch slide in. I mean your the band slide in. The way it works is that there is a little release that goes in, and on the back of your watch there is two buttons over here, and this one, once you push that in, it kind of like a push back the release, and you can now slide your watch out. You see, there is a release here. Once this one press on the top here, when it press down, there is a little button here that comes out, and there is inside, okay, there is inside a release over here somewhere inside or in the middle. So again, once you put or you have your watch in, okay, you have your band watch in, you can hear that release. So what you do, there is a little button on the back, both side, okay, you have to press this down and simply release it out. Again, down and release out. So that's pretty much how you do it. Very simple. Sometimes people don't know, so they do just pull, and after break down the stuff. But very simple. You just release this way, and then that's how it looks. And here's your watch and your new band. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye.